The Fontana dell'Acqua Paola, often called the Big Fountain, is a magnificent Baroque structure located on Janiculum Hill in Rome. Commissioned by Pope Paul V in 1612, this fountain was part of a project to restore the ancient Aqua Traiana aqueduct, which provided water to the city. Designed by architect Giovanni Fontana, the fountain features a striking facade with 5 large arches and beautiful cascading waterfalls, all crafted from white marble. The fountain is not just a functional source of water. It stands as a remarkable example of 17th-century Baroque artistry. Its design showcases Borghese emblems, reflecting the influence of the papal family and adding to its grandeur. Beyond its architectural beauty, the Fontana dell'Acqua Paola serves as a cultural landmark, offering breathtaking panoramic views of Rome, making it a favorite spot for both locals and tourists. Nearby, visitors can also explore the Giuseppe Garibaldi Monument, inaugurated in 1895. This monument features an impressive equestrian statue of Garibaldi, created by Emilio Galori, honoring his crucial role in the unification of Italy. The monument is adorned with statues and reliefs that depict key moments from Garibaldi's life, highlighting his dedication to Italian unity. Together, the Fontana dell'Acqua Paola and the Giuseppe Garibaldi Monument are essential highlights of Janiculum Hill, a place rich in history and cultural significance. They not only enhance the beauty of the Roman landscape but also commemorate important figures and events in Italy's past, offering visitors a profound connection to Rome's vibrant history.